Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtutor.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is, which of the following statements are correct regarding our management's reports in QuickBooks Online? Select all that apply. You can export the management reports in the Words, PDF and Excel from but you can customize reports via the management reports screens. You can add may reports as needed to the package. You can orders the reports including in the package. The correct answer of the question is the following statements are correct regarding management reports in QuickBook Online. You can export management reports in Word, PDF and Excel formats. You can customize reports via management reports screens. You can add may reports are needed to the package. The statement you can reorder the reports included in the package is not correct. You can order the reports including in the package by clicking and dragging them to desired position. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.